Here are 10 more reasons why your guitar licks might suck and how to fix them. Number 1, you don't utilize chromatics. Chromatic notes can add tension and flavor to your licks. Number 2, you only play pentatonics. They're a great tool, but branch out and explore other options to keep things interesting. Number 3, you don't play for the music. Your licks should serve the song, not just show off your technique. Number 4, you don't improvise enough. Improvising helps develop your phrasing and creativity. Number 5, you don't utilize different subdivisions. Using subdivisions like triplets or even quintuplets. Changing up rhythms adds variety and groove to your licks. Number 6, your licks lack dynamic variation. Play with different volumes and intensities to make them more expressive. Number 7, you only listen to guitarists. Broaden your influences by studying other instrumentalists for new ideas. Number 8, you don't explore exotic scales. Exotic scales like the Hungarian or symmetrical diminished scales can add unique flavors to your solos. Number 9, you don't write enough music. Exercising creativity through composition will make your licks more original and memorable. And finally, you still haven't worked my JTC pack Stellar Licks. It's packed with everything you need to know to craft better and more effective licks. Fix these 10 things and your licks will stand out instantly. Subscribe for more tips.